How to delete bookmarks on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. At the bottom of the Safari window, tap on the Bookmarks icon, which looks like an open book. You will then be taken to the History page. This page also gives you access to your reading list and saved bookmarks. In this section, go to the Bookmarks section by tapping on the book icon at the top. Here, you can view all your saved bookmarks. Find the bookmark you want to delete and swipe left on it. Then, tap on the red Delete button that appears on the right. After that, tap on the Done button at the top right corner to save changes. Following these steps, you can easily delete bookmarks on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.